Die very much in Gachtina. Now, this is our story for today. Egg Iascaireacht. Fishing. Egg Iascaireacht. Now, before we read through the story, I'm just going to go over some of the questions that I would like you to answer. Okay? Now, 8 simple questions to do with the story. But we have a couple of verbs in here that we might not have come across in question form. Okay? So, there's 8 questions, but only 3 verbs. So we'll have a look at them first. Okay? So we have An gnocchi Uiscin Egg Iascaireacht. An gnocchi Dado Egg Iascaireacht in Éineacht le Ruairi. So, an gnocchi. An gnocchi means did somebody go. So an gnocchi Uiscin Egg Iascaireacht, did Uiscin go fishing. Now before we have a look over here at how we answer those questions, can anyone tell me what your answer would be? Or just say it. Obviously I can't hear you. An gnocchi Uiscin Egg Iascaireacht. Okay, well we can see here that if he did, it'd be Huig Uiscin Egg Iascaireacht. Uiscin went fishing. Or maybe Ní Iacci Uiscin Egg Iascaireacht. He didn't go. So we'll spend a few minutes at this box now in a second, okay? We'll just have a look through the questions there. An raibh Ruairi ina hí bruach na hAuann. An raibh Ruairi ina hí bruach na hAuann. So an raibh means was. Was he, was she, were you, and so on. So, was Ruairi sitting on the bank of the river? An raibh Ruairi ina hí bruach na hAuann. So an raibh, your answer would be the. So he was the Ruairi ina hí bruach na hAuann. Or ní raibh Ruairi ina hí bruach na hAuann. So an raibh, the, or ní raibh. Okay? Another an raibh. An raibh mamo ina sea bruach na hAuann. Was Granny sitting on the bank of the river? So the mamo ina sea bruach na hAuann. Or ní raibh mamo ina sea bruach na hAuann. An raibh líon ag dado. So a line because they're fishing. An raibh. So the líon ag dado. Or ní raibh líon ag dado. An raibh Kishán ag Roisin. Did Roisin have a basket or a net? Ní raibh Kishán ag Roisin. Okay. So the Kishán ag Roisin. Roisin had a basket. Or the ní raibh Kishán ag Roisin. Roisin didn't have a basket. Now, the last one here. An bhuair Ruairi iasc. Which means did Ruairi get or catch or get a fish? An bhuair Ruairi seanbhróg. Did Ruairi get a old shoe? Okay. And we have an bhuair. So did somebody get? Fuair. So fuair Ruairi iasc. Or ní bhuair. Ní bhuair Ruairi iasc. Ruairi didn't catch a fish. Okay. So have a look at them again there quickly, guys. An gnocchi. So if you want to repeat that. An gnocchi. So did somebody or something go? So it's the question form of go, the verb to go, in the past tense. An gnocchi. So an gnocchi tú go gin shop. Did you go to the shop? An gnocchi. Chuig. So they went. Chuig or ní gnocchi. An rev. So were they? Was he? Was she? An rev. The. Ní rev. So an rev sé ag cur sneachta inné. Was it snowing yesterday? Bhí sé ag cur sneachta inné. An rev sé grianmhar inné. Ní rev sé grianmhar inné. An bhór. An bhór tú bruntanis don nullig. Did you get presents for Christmas? An bhór tú bruntanis don nullig. For me bruntanis don nullig. Bhór tú caca don breakfasta. Did you get a cake for your breakfast? Ní bhór. Okay, so let's have a quick read through the story. Ag Iascaireacht. Chuig Rory ag Iascaireacht. Bhí Dado agus Roisin in éineacht leis. Dado and Roisin were with him. Bhí Dado agus Roisin in éineacht leis. Bhí siad, they were, bhí siad in a sea bhruach na hawan. Bhí líon ag Roisin. Bhí Kishan ag Dado. Bhí slot Iascaireachta ag Rory. We know that that's in our spellings for this week. Bhí slot Iascaireachta ag Rory. Cheap Rory, which means Rory thought. Cheap Rory go bhór sé iasc. He thought he got a fish. Cheap Rory go bhór sé iasc. Bhí sé bís. Do you know what that means? Bhí sé bís. He was excited. Ní bhór Rory iasc. Ní bhór sé ach seanbhróg. He didn't catch a fish. He didn't catch anything but an old shoe. Okay, so I have put up a picture of this page, guys. So if you can answer those questions for me. An gnocchi Oisín ag Iascaireacht. I'll give you the answer for that one. Ní gnocchi Oisín ag Iascaireacht. Chuig Rory ag Iascaireacht. Okay, so ní gnocchi Oisín ag Iascaireacht. Okay, so good luck with that, guys. There's... Okay. They can help you there, and as well the sentences are in the story. So, and if you'd like to send me a voice note of you reading the story, that would be fantastic as well. Okay, so let me know if you need any help. Comment up on the Google Classroom and I will get back to you. Okay, bye for now.